Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you 5 amazing tips and tricks you can try on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The best part is most of these work on other Samsung Galaxy devices, so even if you don't have a Samsung S25 Ultra, you can still enjoy these features. So stick around till the end because I'll show you some really cool customizations you might not know about. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment below which feature is your favorite. So let's get started. So feature number 1 is where you can add 2 fingerprints to improve unlocking chances. So sometimes fingerprints unlock doesn't register quickly, especially if your finger is slightly wet or angled differently. So to fix this, you can add the same finger twice, or you can go ahead and add 2 different fingers. So this way your phone has more data points, making unlocking faster and smoother. So here we'll go ahead and add 2 fingerprints, so our 2 thumbs, into 1 fingerprint. So to do this, we'll go ahead and bring down the quick panel menu, tap on settings. Now from here, you're going to go ahead and scroll down, find lock screen and AOD, tap on lock screen and biometrics, enter in your PIN number. Next, tap on fingerprints, and here we'll go ahead and tap on add a fingerprint. Now we'll go ahead and hold the phone in 2 hands, and then we'll go ahead and alternate our left and right thumb. And now that's done. So we can go and press done. Now when we go ahead and lock our screen and we unlock it, you'll see that both of the fingerprints will work. So this way you'll basically save time, you will avoid the frustration, especially when you're in a rush. Feature number 2 is where you can have the falling star notification animation. So Samsung's notification pop-up styles can be customized, and one fun option is a falling star animation. So instead of the usual pop-up, you get a stylish animation around your screen whenever a notification arrives. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you're going to go ahead and scroll down and find Edge Lighting Plus. Now here you want to go ahead and turn this feature on. Next, you want to tap on Set Custom Style and switch this feature on. Now you want to go ahead and choose your effects. So if you want the star, you can go ahead and choose the star effect. So as you can see, this is the falling star notification. You can go ahead and choose your color. Next, you can choose different effects, so it can fall, so the stars can fall in a snowflake effect, in a raindrop effect, cloud effect, sparkle effect, bubbles, heart effect, popcorn effect, zoom in effect. Since we want the falling star, we'll go ahead and choose the raindrops. At the bottom here, you can choose the size, period, amount, and the rotation. Now, once you're happy with that, tap done. Now, before we exit, you want to make sure show app icon instead of custom style icon is not ticked. So this needs to be turned off. So by default, this will be turned off. However, for me, this is turned on as I have enabled this. But for you, you want to go ahead and switch this feature off. Now, next, you want to go ahead and try it out. So here, once a message comes up on my phone, you'll see that star effect. So it makes your phone feel more personalized and adds a touch of fun every time you get a message or alert on your Samsung Galaxy device. Feature number 3 is where you can have different wallpapers for day and night. So with the modes and routine, you can set your phone to automatically change wallpapers. So for example, a bright wallpaper during the day and a dark, calm wallpaper at night. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and open up the modes and routine app. We'll go ahead and tap on routine, tap on the plus sign. And then we'll go ahead and configure the if and then the then statement. So here we'll go ahead and put down if. So we'll go ahead and search for dark mode. So if dark mode is on, you want to go ahead and set a wallpaper. So go ahead and search for wallpaper, change the home screen wallpaper. So here we'll go ahead and choose something from our gallery. So let's just say something dark. So a dark color. Now you're going to go and press save, press done, and then you're going to press home. Next, you're going to go ahead and open up settings. Now you're going to go ahead and tap on display. Now you're going to go ahead and tap on dark mode settings. Turn on as scheduled. So here you're going to go ahead and set it to sunset to sunrise. So once the sun sets, dark mode will be enabled. Once the sun rises, dark mode will switch off. So here you can press home. And once dark mode is turned on, you'll get another wallpaper. When dark mode is switched off, you'll return back to this wallpaper. So this not only looks amazing, but also helps reduce eye strain at night and keeps your home screen feeling fresh and dynamic throughout the day. Feature number 4 is where you have the one tap, screenshot and share. So taking a screenshot is easy, but Samsung lets you go a step further. So with one tap screenshot and instant share, you can capture your screen and immediately share it to apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, or email. So let me show you how this works. So here we'll go ahead and long press this side button. Once I do this, this will instantly take a screenshot and will share it to whoever you want. So you can share it to specific people or you can share it to apps down here. So let me show you how to turn this feature on. So here we'll go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. In the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and scroll down, find Register. On Register, you want to find Side Key Press and Hold Action. Turn this feature on. And from the list, you want to find Take a Screenshot and Share. So go ahead and tap on this and make sure you change the settings from basic to share. Now once that's done, you want to go ahead and open an app and then you can go ahead and just long press on the side button. This will take a screenshot and will share it for you automatically. So this saves you multiple steps and is super convenient when you want to quickly send memes, chats, or important information without going to the gallery. Feature number 5 is where you can apply a game wallpaper, which you can play as well. So if you love gaming, you'll enjoy this one. So on your Samsung Galaxy device, you can set high quality wallpapers from games directly on your phone. So whether it's action, adventure, or fantasy, you can basically set it as a wallpaper and you can go ahead and play with it like this. So let me show you how to set wallpapers where you can play with it on your Samsung Galaxy device. So for this, you'll need to go into your Play Store. Here you need to go ahead and search for an app called Pika Game Wallpaper. This is the app you need to download, Pika Game Wallpaper. Go ahead and open it. Now in the app, you have a list of all these different free games which you can basically set as a wallpaper. So here you can go ahead and set this hanging man. You can set this person here. And then the other ones are all paid. So here's an example. We'll go ahead and set this. Then we'll go ahead and watch it on our home screen. So to play this, you want to go ahead and just tap on this. And as you can see, this is just basically a wallpaper on your home screen. And you can basically play a game while you're waiting for someone or maybe just passing time. So this is a fun way to time pass on your phone. And this gives your Galaxy device a unique gamer-inspired look. So those are the 5 cool features and tricks you can try on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And remember, most of these will work on other Samsung Galaxy models too. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which feature was your favorite. I'd love to hear from you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.